How can I play NCAA 14 on PS4?
Hello everyone! Today, we'll be discussing how you can play NCAA Football 14 on your PlayStation 4. As you may know, NCAA 14 was originally released for the PlayStation 3, so playing it on the PS4 requires some additional steps due to the PS4's lack of backwards compatibility.
What do you need?
First things first, you'll need a PS4 and a PS Now subscription. PlayStation Now, PS Now, is a cloud gaming subscription service that allows you to stream PS3 and PS2 games on your PS4 or PC. Note that the availability of games can vary depending on your region.
How to get a PS Now subscription?
To get a PS Now subscription, follow these steps. 1. Turn on your PS4 and go to the PlayStation Store. 2. Scroll down to the Subscriptions section. 3. Look for PlayStation Now and click on it. 4. Choose your desired subscription plan. It can be a 1 month, 3 months, or a 12 months plan. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to purchase the subscription.
How to play NCAA 14 on PS4 via PS Now?
Once you've secured your PS Now subscription, here's how you can play NCAA 14-1. Go to the PS4 dashboard and select PlayStation Now. 2. In the PS Now application, browse or search for NCAA 14. 3. Once you've found NCAA 14, click on it and select Play. Keep in mind that the game streams over the internet, so you'll need a stable, high-speed connection. If your internet connection isn't stable, you may experience lag or other performance issues. And that's it. Now you know how to play NCAA 14 on your PS4 using PS Now. Although it's not a direct backward compatibility solution, PS Now can give you access to this fan-favorite game and many others. Happy gaming, and remember, if you experience lag or delays, make sure to check your internet connection for stability. Enjoy your game.